Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Michelle, aka Michi Makes Up, and I love all things hair care, skincare, makeup, beauty, and so on. And if you love that as much as I do, make sure you guys do hit the red subscribe button down below, as well as the notification bell, so you don't miss out on any new videos. And without further ado, let's jump into today's video. If you guys are new to my channel, I love to do BoxyCharm unboxings, and I have been blessed with the privilege of having BoxyCharm send me boxes to try out for you guys. So here we have the base box, and then below we have the premium box. If you don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is basically a monthly beauty subscription box where you get 5 full-size items for $25 a month, and they can range anywhere from skincare, hair care, makeup, random tools, just depending on the box. And there are different box types that you can get too. So there's a premium box as well, that one has 6 full-size items, and they're usually more luxurious, and that one retails for $35. And then there's also a luxe box that you can get every 3 months, and that one usually has almost, I think, between 8 to 10 full-size items, and it retails for over $350 for just $50 a month. Like I said, BoxyCharm did send me these boxes to show you guys. I love to show you guys what I got in the box and show you guys how I use it, and then let you know what my thoughts are at the end of the video. And this is an awesome way to really build up your collection and just try out new products that you probably would never try if it wasn't for BoxyCharm. I have found so many of my favorite makeup items and just beauty items through this subscription, and it's really cost efficient. If you just get like the base box, that's $25 a month, and you're getting over $100 worth of stuff. Every month we get a little card that lets you know, what the theme is. This month's theme is Go All Out, and on the back here it just lets you know what each item is and how much each product is worth. I'm going to show you guys what I got my base box first. Again, this one does retail for $25. The first item that we got here is this Laura Geller eyeshadow palette. This is the casual collection. This is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. I feel like this is a great palette to transition from summer into fall. You have those more cool tone colors, your mauves, some really deep pretty colors. This is an awesome palette, and I've never tried Laura Geller eyeshadow, so I am excited to try that out. And then we also got these lashes from the brand Lava Los Angeles. So it's a whole entire kit, which is super cool. So we have the lashes up here, which are gorgeous, this little lash tool, and a eyelash adhesive. It says that you can use them up to 30 times, which is true, as long as you clean them, like taking off the glue and cleaning them in rubbing alcohol every now and then when they start getting gunky. That'll really help the longevity. The next item that we got is from Monica Dar. So I haven't tried anything from her, but I've heard really great things. This is the hydrating facial mist. So this has ingredients such as calcium, zinc, copper, magnesium, potassium that are known for their ability to soothe, cleanse, and revitalize and strengthen the skin. So we're gonna go ahead and spray some of this on. Ooh, this mister is so nice. Oh, and it smells so nice too. And then we got this item here, which if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen me unbox this box and know what these are. These are the Frank Body Booty Drops. Yes, you heard me right. This is supposed to help. It has caffeine that helps to firm the skin and better circulation. So obviously you don't have to put it just on your butt. If you have anything that's sagging, you can put that on there. I'm obviously not going to demonstrate this, but it's going to help the skin feel smoother, more supple, tighter, and firm. So this is what it looks like right here, and we're going to go ahead, just going to put it on the back of my hand. Ooh, it smells just like coffee. Oh my gosh. So that is it right there on my hand. Obviously I don't have any like sagging skin yet, but it smells just like coffee. That's so funny. Next up we have this serum plus vitamin E retinol. This is going to help to give a luminous complexion. It has retinol, adaptogens, and arginine to help improve the overall texture of the skin. It helps to protect from free radicals and moisturizes the skin. You can use it daily for brighter looking younger skin. Usually things with retinol, I don't recommend using it during the day, but if you use SPF, you'll be okay. I'm gonna go ahead and try this on. Okay, alrighty, so that is it for our base box. Really nice and simple. We did get one makeup product or actually 2 makeup products, but a bunch of skincare. I feel like these boxes have been getting like more and more skincare in them. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys on in. We're gonna do our makeup and I will come back and share my final thoughts. If you guys are interested in seeing what look I create with these boxes, then continue watching. So we're going to go ahead and start off with a little bit of eyeshadow primer. I'm going to go ahead and blend that all over my eyelid, and then I'm just going to use a light shade just to set that primer in place and to help the eyeshadows blend a little bit easier. So I'm taking the darkest shade in the palette and this brush and just going to go ahead and apply that in the crease in windshield wiper motions, going back and forth. It is going to be a little bit rough at first, but we're going to go ahead and blend it out with a few other shades. So just apply it until you get the intensity and it's not looking patchy. And then I went ahead and blended that out with this transition shade right here. And we're going to go ahead and apply a little bit of that on the brow bone as well, just to kind of clean up the edges and make the look a lot nicer. It looks kind of crazy right now, but trust the process. Then we're going to go ahead and go back into that darkest brown shade and just put that in the outer corner of the eye. And I always start off kind of like in an angle and then create a little V and just kind of swirl that back and forth in a circular motion on the outer corner of my eye and put a little bit into the crease just to add a little bit more depth. And you just want to really take your time with this. You can see how much time I took. I took probably a little bit longer than this, but I did cut some pieces out. Then I'm taking this shade here that is a gorgeous like slate blue color. It's very pretty and goes with this look somehow. And I just went ahead and patted that on my eyelid. Then going back in with that dark brown and a flat brush, I'm going to go ahead and put that on my lash line and just connect that into the outer corner. And it's going to give you a nice sultry smoked out liner look. And then once we have that completed, we're going to go ahead and clean up the eyeshadow look just so that way everything really comes together. If anything's ever looking crazy, this is a great hack. So I'm taking a cotton round and some micellar water and just going to go ahead and clean up those edges, clean up any eyeshadow that may have fallen out underneath my eyes as well. And you can see how much cleaner that looks now. So then we're going to go ahead and smudge out our darkest shade on our lower lash line after we finish the rest of our makeup. And I'm going to go ahead and use a mauve shade to go ahead and blend that out and diffuse it just to give a nice, beautiful, sultry look. And then I went ahead and applied some mascara, and I'm going to go ahead and prep my eyes for the lashes. And these are the lashes. We're going to go ahead and take the tweezer and we're going to go ahead and measure out our eyelashes just to make sure they're not too long. Sorry, I was eating a snack in between because I was filming a few different videos. But anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and really twist that lash band and make sure that it's nice and flexible. Put that on the tweezer, apply a thin layer of the lash glue, making sure that it takes about a minute or so to get tacky before applying it on the eye, because if not, it's going to slip and slide all over the place. So once it gets nice and tacky, we're going to go ahead and place that onto the center of our eye first, and then we're going to go ahead and put the lashes on in the corner. If it's not adhering, then that means that it's still a little bit too wet. So you really want to make sure that it's nice and tacky. And I'm just going to go ahead and press that into the outer corner first, and then put it into the inner corner as well. And putting on eyeliner is just really going to make sure that your lashes just mold together. This band is really thick, and I do talk about it a little bit later, but you will see the difference that eyelashes make compared to just mascara. Look at that difference. All right, so I just went ahead and took my hair down because it just felt like it just made the look a lot better. But this is the finished look. We did like kind of like a fall-ish inspired makeup look, a little more on the sultry side, a little bit more smoky. This is definitely a great palette for a nice smoky eye. It definitely is, again, a lot more sultry. It's not like a daytime like makeup look that you would wear on the daily, but I really, really like it a lot. For the lashes, these were kind of tricky to put on because it was such a thick band, and this kind of glue, that's the brush on kind. I can't even find my glue. Everything's all over the place. This kind of glue, that's the brush on kind, isn't the best for like really, really thick bands. I probably should have cut my lashes too, but I didn't feel like grabbing my lash scissors. Now that my lash glue has dried, I can pinch my real lashes with the fake lashes, and that just makes it look a lot more natural, even though obviously these are really, really thick. But the fact that it does have that thicker lash band does make it look like you have liner on, so that kind of adds a little bit more sultriness to the look. If you guys are interested in signing up for BoxyCharm and trying it out for yourself, make sure you guys do check out the link down below, and you guys can sign up, and if you use that link you will get a free gift for signing up with BoxyCharm. And if you guys have any questions or any requests, leave them down below as well. And if you got your BoxyCharm this month, let me know what your favorite item was from this month. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.